fits on my old Siren. It's already pretty beat up back there, so we'll see how easy of a transition it is from Radix wheels up to a 12 standard 30mm wheel. Alright, so when taking off the back wheel with a used deck, especially a Siren, I've already tried to pull away some of the excess aluminum that gets shaved back. That way I can pull my deck ends out. But always keep safety glasses on and watch your fingers too, don't cut yourselves. And for the moment of truth, to see these things will even come out easily. They do. That's the easy one. And the favored side is stuck. So I guess I'm gonna need to break out the Thor hammer. Now we got our deck prepped. It's ready to see if these fools fit. So we're gonna go for the easy one first. Easy enough. Now for the stingy one. Now we have our spacers, and then we also have our axle, and we also have my dirty hands. So I'm going to take my wheel and see if it's going to fit in there nice. Put the axle in one side, hang one spacer, slide in the wheel, move my brake. The axle into one side, hang one of the washers, pop the wheel in, get the axle through the wheel. Oh boys, we got some filing to do. Gotta do some filing. When it comes to scooters, there's a lot of love that goes into putting the parts together. Don't be scared to file and pull back little pieces of aluminum. Filing and the sweat that you get out of it is training. It makes you that much better of a rider. Look at me. I've been riding my whole life. It wasn't until I started filing parts that I really unlocked my true potential. It's not about the size of the file, it's about the file's grit. Alright, so we're back with the spacer. The axle goes through now. Just with a little bit of filing, kids. Always remember, filing is not harmful. It'll only help you. And now we gotta put the other spacer on the other side. So we're gonna flip it. It's gonna be a tight one, boys and girls. This is what happens when you want a nice scooter. You just want something different, you know. You just want to push the potential of the scooter. You want the biggest wheels possible. I ride through a lot of dirt because I don't land a lot of stuff. So you know I need these wheels. It's like a pseudo little dirt scooter we got here. Might be lined up in there. All right, so everything's lined up. Everything's on file. We filed everything down, and I'm gonna put this back wheel on. Put my bars on and then try and see if I can do a couple tricks on the rail.
With a grin and in the whirlwind, the breeze is moving it down for outside. Yeah, it be none other. Time to smother and stifle all competition. We stand in our way of us hustle, so let's tussle. Jump on my love muscle, cause my verbal's penetrating. Location of stress you can keep.
12 standard kit for the Siren works perfectly, even on the old Siren. You can find the new Siren on the website, 7rosesproscooters.com. Use code Schwag for 15% off on the website. Pick yourself one up. I love it, and I know you will too. Thanks for watching.